The storm shelter, it's bulletproof, and what if we told you it could soon be in classrooms across the country? Jodianne Thompson was in a Harrisonville school as they tested it today. Curious, Jodianne, what do teachers think about this?
Well, Krista, so far it's getting some pretty good reviews from teachers, and we know many schools will be starting school next week. But none of us have forgotten Moore, Oklahoma, and the tornado that ripped through an elementary school there. And then there was Sandy Hook Elementary that was attacked by a gunman. Now, these national events inspired a Missouri team of engineers to find a solution. And after several different designs, they think they may have.
There you go.
It's been shot at with an AK-47 and armor-piercing rounds from a .30-06. No bullets penetrated the steel, and even wooden 2x4s have been blasted at the outside of this shelter at F5 tornado wind speeds. Today, students got to grade the hideaway shelter.
In case of emergencies, we don't have to run somewhere.
It was tested in a classroom for the first time at Harrisonville Christian School, both as a tornado shelter and as a bulletproof refuge. The hideaway shelter bolts to the ground and expands from 17 inches wide to a space large enough for 30 students. Second grade teacher Michelle Sloan is happy with it.
A lot of responsibility that we think of as teachers, and what do we do to keep our students as safe as we can, and right now it just feels like our best isn't good enough.
Company president Mike Vogt and his team of engineers designed it.
This is a new concept completely. There is nothing else like this.
And he hopes FEMA will help pay for them. This shelter cost about $15,000, but the interest is also coming from more than just schools.
On the Mexican border for businesses looking for protection from drug cartels. Could this go in embassies around the world to protect the people that are inside the embassies?
Back at the plant in Harrisonville, production is ready to start.
And the shelters can be built at different sizes, so that changes the cost. The easiest way, they say, to calculate it is it runs about $1,600, that is, dollars a student. Live in the studio, Jodianne Thompson, 41 Action News.